Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, the U.S. dollar Swiss has been very, very rangy, as you can see. And one thing we really cannot deny is that the daily time frame is definitely still in a downtrend. There is definitely still a possibility that this makes a lower high and pushes all the way down to the next Fibonacci level. So we have to be very careful with assuming that it's going to make a nice long. Really, I mean, our primary focus should be shorts. I mean, don't get me wrong, there has been some pretty decent longs, but the 78% fib bounce would have gave you potentially, maybe up to three pretty decent little sorting opportunities. We just got another 78% fib bounce too, so I mean, I definitely would still be recommending shorts as long as it doesn't go up here and break this structure. The trend is your friend, and the higher trend time frame trend is definitely still down. I still wouldn't really be surprised if it does go up and break structure. So if you are sorting it, just make sure that you do be careful. If it makes some sort of a three-way pattern down and impulsive up, I would definitely exit my trade and potentially even reverse. But for me personally, I always trade with the trend, and the trend is down, so I am definitely looking for sorts and all these Fibonacci bounces. Potentially, at some point, it could end up continuing the downtrend, making a very impulsive move to the downside. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.